coastal map of India, Sri Lanka, and then some wind vectors also are there. But then it is not showing any cyclonic circulation.
Yes.
Yeah, and the reason could be two reasons. One is that she has stored data probably from north to south rather than south to north.
Yes.
That is maybe one thing. And second thing is that probably her data itself, when she picks up manually, it might not be properly picked up. So that is the reason why it is going like that. There are many ways to learn. You see, I mean, programming languages are such that one same thing you can do in so many ways. And for this case also, the same thing will happen. Say something, showing something, some input data. Well, input data में क्या दिखा रहे हो? Let me see. Because part of my screen gets hidden by, I don't know what it is. I'm not able to remove this.
No.
Visual effects, background blur. I don't know how to remove this, but it covers. It just covers part of the screen, and then I can't see your full program. Can you move your?
So you can pin my screen, so then you can see. You'll get a complete view.
Call my pin my screen. How do I pin my screen?
So there will be an option of a thumb pin.
The three dots which are there on the right side.
Yeah, if you click that, then you'll get whole screen will be covered with my screen.
Full screen is there. Now even the full screen also is covered partly by this strip. I don't know what is this strip, how to remove this strip. It's called visual effects, background blur, bubbles, etc. And anyway, I think now I can view your screen better than earlier. So the thing is, well, I mean, you put your input data in some format, although you could have put in a better format, but that's okay. That is your input data. This is your input file, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you could have done it in a better way, but anyway, there's so many ways you can do that. So with this input data, and when she picked up manually those wind speed and wind direction, now she started probably from the northernmost latitude, and then started moving towards the east, right? From
yes.
Then move towards the east, then go to the next latitude, then go to the next latitude, and so on. That's how she probably did. So this is the way she has stored the data. Then can you open your CTL file?
CTL file. Sir, can you see my CTL file?
Yes, not visible.
Okay.
So see, initially you were getting a line contour sort of thing, right? In the plot, do you remember that? Some line.
So that's because I plotted the contours, sir.
Not only that, but even when you plotted some wind, I think it was showing just one line was coming.
Yes, sir, because that one I plotted from 1 to 10. I started from the latitude lawn one, so I was getting a different part of the world.
Yeah, that was the reason that you started from 1 degree latitude. That means kahan se start kiya, almost near the equator, right? And you have only 10 points, and so 1 degree ke interval pe it will just cover some part of the I don't know which island was drawing. So anyway, so now the thing is, your data is starting at 75 degree east and 7 degree north latitude at the interval of 1 degree, right? And so it is showing the part of the southern peninsular India. Suppose if you increase the interval, because that is in your hand, right? Instead of saying 1 degree, you make it 2 degree or 3 degree or 5 degree, then it will cover the whole India. The map will cover the whole India, right? Whatever you specify.
Okay.
Right. So that way you can do, and 75 degree probably it will cut part of the Gujarat or what? If you start from 75 degree east, it might cut part of the Gujarat. I'm not sure. So you can start from 70 degree maybe. And you have got, just count, because you have got 10 points only. So at the interval of 5 degree, and your, just to cover the whole of India, the easternmost longitude of India, 100 degree or 95 degree east only, right? So 95 or 100 if you cover, then it will cover the northeastern part of India. And from western side, if you start from 70, I think that will cover the entire India, Gujarat part also. So 70 say, if you go from 70 to 95, कितना हो गया? 25, 70 plus 25 becomes 95, right? So
Sir, 4-degree interval is okay, sir. 68, 65 to and 4-degree interval.
So 4 degree interval बस पे 40 degree हो जाएगा. 40 degree that means yeah. So that is fine. Starting with 60 degree and at the interval of 4 degree will cover whole of India from east to west. And similarly count from north to south also. Not 75, 65. Or 65, 65 is okay, yeah. I think. And in that case, 4 degree will becomes 40, 10 points, and 40 plus 6 becomes 105. That is more than sufficient. I mean, these are just manual value you are giving some arbitrary value. Similarly, from north to south, if you want to cover whole of India, 7 degree may be okay, right? Because you are able to see the Sri Lanka.
Yes, sir.
So let us say instead of 7 degree, you start from 5 degree, upper figure 5 degree. And we have got 10 points. So if you have 5 degree interval, so 10 into 5 becomes 50. 50 plus, that is too much. So just count because you need to go only up to 30 degree north or maybe 35 degree north, suppose. So 5 to 35 means 30 degree का फर्क होना चाहिए. 30 degree का फर्क के लिए, even if you say 3 or 4, that is I think sufficient.
4 is okay, sir. 4
will also cover or 3 also may cover. So in both sides your interval becomes 4 degree. Okay. Now if you plot, you will see the whole map of India. And what is this skip? Why you have to give a skip? You are not skipping any point.
Sir, for the vectors, sir.
So even if you say display semicolon B, it will display. You don't need to put a skip, right?
Okay.
Because skip is required only if you are skipping the point. If you don't want to skip, just say display U semicolon B. That's it.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this, yeah, see the whole India is shown now, right? And I mean, you can adjust your whatever window size by changing those intervals.
Sir, we can use higher, sir.
You can increase. So those things I'm just demonstrating.
This also, yeah.
So all these things are in your hand, that how to control all these things, right? Now you know how to do that. So and regarding this, now go back to the CTL file.
CTL,
yes. Because you know that probably you have stored data from north to south. So you do one thing, your latitude, starting latitude you say 35, let us say. Starting latitude 35. So y difference your y difference instead of 5, you say 35. Your y difference.
Sir, I can't understand.
In your CTL file, you have got y depth 10, linear 5 you have written, right? You write?
Yes.
Yeah, right, 35 there.
5 is the starting latitude.
Start from 35. Start from 35.
Okay.
And interval you give -3 or -4.
Okay.
Okay. And then plot again. So it will know that it is reversed. Data is stored in a reversed way. What data file was not opened?
Sir, it's not accepting. Invalid description file, it's saying.
There are missing
So
or
this negative file, yeah, it's not.
-3 is there, na? That's why.
Yeah,
if
that's
-3, then it will accept that. The second term can't be negative.
Yeah, what will accept?
So the second
because
term
it's
can't be negative.
-3, it's not accepting, sir.
I thought it should have accepted -3.
It's negative, so it's not accepting.
Oh, so that means GRAD has a restriction hardware that it must start the data from south to north. You cannot start from north to south. Okay.
Okay.
So you revert it back to 5 and this one was 3. Okay. Now suppose again go back to your vectors diagram.
Vectors diagram.
Earlier diagram. See on your Bay of Bengal, the wind is so less. Well, actually, the thing is that you can just reverse your data in the program itself. also. In the Fortran code that you have written, after you read the data, you just reverse by a loop, put a loop, and then reverse the data. That also you can do, right? Instead of typing all the data, input values in the program, you can reverse by just a do statement. You know that how to do that?
Sir, I have to see, sir.
Yeah, you just think about it a little bit and very
Yes.
easily by putting a do loop, you can just reverse the data in the program. Okay.
Okay.
And these very weak values of wind which you see in the Bay of Bengal, you just
Sir, the magnitude is 50, sir, because I gave very high values. So relatively, yeah, it changed the length of the arrows. Yeah.
so length of arrow you change, make it 20 because it's just surface wind, 20
Yeah.
or so.
Yes.
Arrow size you just specify.
So then I'll have to change so many values, sir.
Which value? The length of arrow you are saying, no? In the Grad's script, have you defined the length of arrow?
No, sir. Like
That-
here I gave 50, 60, so yeah, it took it like that. So in the input. Now if I change this to 20, there it will change automatically.
Strong winds, well, actually, no, you can also control your arrow size. No? Instead of changing your fiddling with the data file, in the Grad script, you can define your arrow size also. You have to see the manual and define the arrow size. That 20 arrow size will be this much. So
Okay, I'll see. I'll have to see that, yes.
the manual, right? So by defining the size of the arrow in your Grad script, you can control the size of the arrow. Right? You don't have to change your data file for that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So, and then the other thing is that, of course, you can reverse the data set in your program, whatever you have done. Okay, and then see how it is coming. Okay, and if it is still does not show you a nice circulation, that means your wind direction that you have provided, those things are not provided accurately.
Yes.
But the point is, something you have,
yesterday I changed it randomly, so it's gone now. Yeah.
So,
From the first, I'll give the values, so I'll be clear. I'll be more clear. So.
Yeah, that's idea. So you try to do that. Yeah, but the important point is that now you know how it is done, how you have specified the data, and how by a given data set you are able to see the plot of the wind vectors. So that is more important that the procedure you have learned. Now changing that is in your hand. You can definitely refine it and do it in a better way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is important. So all other students, I see now about how many are there? 10 students are there. So all others, note down this point, okay? Whatever Bharadwaj has shown now, and all of you have to come to this stage. Okay. Data may be different. It need not be the same data as he has given. Like your wind speed will be different than our wind speed. But the direction, if you put properly, then you will get nicer direction. If you don't put the direction properly, then you will get some random vector. That's it. Right. Or at least a nice map of India like this, and then the wind vectors at all the points. That much you should get, all of you. Okay. And after that, we will go to the next exercise. Right. So we do this much, all of you, and then we'll see the next exercise. Is that okay? All of you.
Yes.
Yeah. So, any question up to this point? Is there any question?
Sir,
Yeah. Who is asking?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Bolo, I can hear you.
Yes sir. सर मेरा भी प्लॉट हो गया है सर, लेकिन वो प्रॉब्लम आ रही है सर कि जो डाटा को किस तरीके से पर्टिकुलर अरेंज किया जाए कि ताकि वो प्रॉपर साइक्लोनिक सर्कुलेशन हो जाए. यस सर मैं दिखा रहा हूँ.
Are you sharing your window?
Yes sir, yes sir, yes.
Okay. After you, then GTS will show. GTS, you are there now?
Yes, sir.
After Anish has shown, then you will show your window.
Okay, sir.
दिखा रहे थे उनको दिया देगा था. Okay. So.
एक मिनट सर, कंफ्यूजन है सर, हो भी रहा है या नहीं हो रहा सर, क्योंकि एरर आ रहा था. एक मिनट सर.
Correct boundary of India, including Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes, sir.
But it is not important to learn. Then skip. Why you want to skip when you are not skipping? Why you want to skip? Just say display. You read. And yes, you don't have to skip.
Sir, sir, I think skip we are using for representation of arrows, sir.
You have to be skipping for skipping the grids. Good point. Suppose you want to work to pass 1,000 points here. Yeah, no, 10,000 points here. Then if you plot 10,000 points in this area, then your entire plot becomes clumsy. So in that case, such a high density data, you cannot plot without skipping. So you skip 2 points, 3 points. But in this case, the 3 points are matter. And then only 10 points. There is no need to skip. Right? It does not control the error size. That does not control the error size. Just say B. इसको मिटा करके just say D and U semicolon D.
D.
Display U.
सर आवाज सर आप ब्रेक हो रही है सर, थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. D.
U semicolon D. लेकिन इसको सुपर इम्पोज कर लिया, उसी पे सुपर इम्पोज कर लिया.
मैं सर दोबारा करता हूँ.
हाँ हो गया ना, ठीक है. ये तो आ गया ना, मतलब skipping displayed you there. Now the problem is that तुमने जो ये high resolution कर दिया ना, high resolution map data, उसके चलते हुआ क्या है कि नेपाल का बाउंड्री तो दिख रहा है, भूटान का भी बाउंड्री दिख रहा है, पर जैन के जम्मू कश्मीर का बाउंड्री सही नहीं दिख रहा है.
हाँ सर, यस सर.
हाँ, तो उसके लिए एक अलग छोटा सा एक पैकेट पैच होता है that we have developed.
सर इंड्रेस करके एक कमांड होता है सर, वो मैंने ट्राई किया था लेकिन वो इस पे वर्क नहीं कर रहा है सर, पता नहीं सर क्या रीजन है.
उसको प्रॉपर्ली तुमको स्टोर करना पड़ेगा, तुम्हारा एड्रेस का जो आपने बेसिक डाटा कर रहा है मैप डिटेल वहाँ पे स्टोर करके एंड देन यू ड्रॉ. तो ये जो पीओके दिख रहा है पाकिस्तान ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर, वो नहीं दिखेगा फिर.
यस सर.
So that you have to do in everyone. So, sir, now. Yeah, what is your question now? Tell me.
Sir, problem. Yes, sir.
Problem ये है कि तुम्हारा यहाँ पे यूनिट दिखा रहा है 200, zero size 200 दिखा रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we can change there 200 arrow size, sir.
No, उतना बड़ा क्यों? Why that much big arrow size? Generally, no, on the surface. Arrow size should not be more than 20. No. If you go then also.
अनिश एक टाइप करना. हेलो.
हाँ हेलो.
सर एक कमांड है जिससे कि हम एरो साइज को हम छोटा कर सकते हैं.
I know, but why should that means your window speed not so strong होगा? कितना भी है window speed?
ये सर मैं उस कमांड को अनिश को बोल रहा हूँ सर वो करने के लिए.
हाँ, no, वो तो कमांड ठीक है, but your wind speed 200 meter per second. This size of the arrow indicates 200 meter per second wind speed, no? इतना स्पीड कहाँ से होगा? तो तुमने सप्लाई किया होगा डेटा, इतना थोड़ी तुम दिया होगा wind speed. तो कहीं तो बीच में नहीं लगा, डेटा जो है तो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. Get the point? Your
Yes.
wind speed is getting multiplied conversely. Your size of the arrow is showing 200 units. So it cannot be such a strong wind. Even when we plot at 200 millibar also, we don't keep more than 40 size of the arrow. So that you have to see, check yourself. Okay. कहाँ पे wind दिशा में speed में कहाँ पे तुमने क्या कर दिया है, probably coming to that it is strong speed. Okay. So what was your question? Yes.
Sir, my question is how to manage that input data. So how we get the proper cyclonic circulation in this plot, sir.
Well, वो तो actually जिस तरह से तुमने डायरेक्शन दिया था.
Yes sir. सर मैं आपको इनपुट फाइल दिखाऊं सर?
इनपुट फाइल तो वो ऐसे देखने का नहीं चलेगा ना. whether there is a cyclone in your input data, I cannot see like that. तो फिर उसको प्लॉट करके नहीं देखोगे तो पता नहीं चलेगा.
Yes sir. Sir, I'm not getting your point, sir. Can you repeat?
I'm saying that you show me the raw data. By looking at
Yes,
the raw
sir.
data, I cannot find out whether it represents the cyclonic circulation or not. But I cannot find out just by looking at the body.
Yes sir.
Unless you plot and see, it's difficult to see. Right. So still
Yes.
plot is enough like that. But if you are extracting the data, the way I have demonstrated by drawing those cyclonic circulation or vortex, they pick up data from that, then you will be able to get some information. Otherwise, see, I can give you a rough trick now. Some of you may try that. Is everybody listening?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I just suggest you a trick. You can try. It might work. Like you want to draw some. Yeah, ये थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया ना. तो जैसे तो छोटा क्या होगा?
Yes.
तो ये बड़ा हो गया.
सर वो मैंने कमांड डाला सर, उसके लिए ग्रिड साइज को मैनिपुलेट करना है सर।
वहाँ इनपुट वैल्यू उतना हो कैसे गया? मुझे इसका आगे हो रहा है कि उतना वहाँ इनपुट वैल्यू वहाँ कैसे हो गया? क्योंकि आई डोंट थिंक कि मैनुअली तुमने उतना ज़्यादा दिया होगा, तो देखना पड़ेगा तुम्हारा। क्योंकि मैनुअली तो अधिक से अधिक 10-20 मीटर पर सेकंड का भी दिया होगा, 200 मीटर पर सेकंड का भी।
सर इसमें ओवरलैप भी हो रहा है सर, इसमें एक बार मैं दोबारा से करता हूँ सर, ओवर हटा के सर। Yes sir.
Yeah, now it has become 20, it has become 20, that is fine. But there are big errors, and that indicates that you have got a very big, very speed at those points. So, तुमने कितना specify किया है different from that. Okay. You show me your CTL file also once.
CTL file, yes sir.
Yeah.
CTL file. So,
So this is your
Yes, sir.
CTL file.
yes sir.
So starting from 7.5, and then we have given the interval 3.2, there is 7.1, across the right side you go, because my screen right cover across the right. Yeah. Yes. So two variables, your CTL file looks okay. You will see actual, what is this actual?
आप सर
You
T actual, yes sir.
the space below to the actual भी दे दें, actual भी दे दें. So anyway, your CTL file looks okay. Show me the
Yes.
code also, your program code.
Programming, yes sir. Darts, yes sir.
Not the script, yeah, that will.
Yes sir. This one.
So what you have done is open the file and then read the data set. Okay, so read the data क्या है? So did you have your input file in the same way or not? I don't know.
Sir ये
input data.
yes sir, input file, yes sir.
Yeah, तो ये तो बस 2 कॉलम में कर दिया, इनपुट डेटा से 2 कॉलम में कर दिया. Actually you could have done all the speed. So what it will do is, you are reading the data, expecting the data, your speed is first, but your data set is showing that first is your speed and second is your direction. You see that? There is a problem in your input data set and the reading program for which you are reading the data set. See, your input data, जैसे मैं देख रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir.
So that 10,45. So I assume that your 10 is your speed and 45 is your direction, right?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, प्रोग्राम को खोले रहने दो ना, प्रोग्राम को खोले रहने दो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा राइट शिफ्ट कर सकते हो, just move slightly right.
Yes.
हाँ, और इसको
Yes, sir.
कोड है तो हाँ ठीक है. Now the thing is that there is a problem in your reading, and same problem also maybe there in other. That's fine. I just take that part. See, the problem is that your first 10 is your speed, right? And 45 is your
Yes.
direction.
Direction.
Then next line में 24 is your speed, 60 is your direction, right?
Yes, sir.
लेकिन जो तुम इसको मतलब पढ़ने के लिए जो तुम स्टेटमेंट दिया है, इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है, that you are saying that
Yes, sir.
read all the value of u from 1
Yes.
to 10 and get into that is ये पहला 100 वैल्यू जो है इस बाइनरी की बात है, everything will be treated as u value. You get the point?
Yes.
The first 100 values of
Yes,
this
sir.
file will be taken as u value, and the next 100 values will be taken as u value. So everything is messed up, right? You get the point
Yes.
what I'm trying to say? So
Sir, yes, sir, sir. Sound clear नहीं आ रहा है, sir. लेकिन फिर
all clear नहीं आ रहा है.
no, sir.
अगर सारे able to hear me, कि मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि तुम्हारा जो डेटा इनपुट फाइल है, that data input file
Yes.
जिस स्ट्रक्चर में रखा हुआ है, your read assembly is not in that same structure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what you should do is, if you read this data set, you should have a do loop, because मैंने जो बताया था वो that was for a different purpose for writing. But you are
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So for this, your read input should be different. Like you should put a loop
Yes, sir.
before the read statement. You put a loop in your Fortran code. Your Fortran code before the read statement, put a loop. Do I equal to say 1 to 10. और ये जो तुम्हारा स्टेटमेंट है उसको तुम कमिट करते हो फिलहाल, ये दोनों रीड को कमिट करते हो फिलहाल. एंड देन एक और डू लगाओ उसके ऊपर में, उसके नीचे डू j equal to 1 to 10. Okay, now
Yes.
Go to the next. Read
Read.
15 comma star. UIV comma UIJ comma VIJ. Don't put any parentheses now. Just say no space दो ना वहाँ पे U से पहले एक space दो. U से पहले
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
U in bracket I comma J, bracket closed, comma
Comma.
DIJ. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then close the loop. Undo.
Yes, sir.
एक और इसको इधर ऊपर तुम ये कर लीजिए. You have to before undo. I think you got to same align करो ना उसको same column में.
Yes, sir. Compile करता हूँ इसको.
उसको डेटा को पे align करो ना प्रोग्राम को. You got in the same column.
Yes, sir.
End do you got in the same column. Put in the same column.
Sorry, sir.
Your end do is not in the same column. End do. तो proper ढंग से एक ही column पे लगाओ ना. Just before read and do. Your end two should be aligned with
And-
the end two. End two को तुमने अभी दिखा ना, insert जो किया ना, end two. The
And
end two.
yes,
हाँ,
sir.
it should be from 7th column. हाँ, yes. Yes. Now you compare.
Okay, sir.
अजीत पहले सेव कर ले।
हाँ हाँ कर लिया।
See the whole thing. The whole thing is changing. Okay, ये जो तुम्हारा एरो है, एरो को तुम कमेंट करना चाहते हो, तो सेट एरो क्या है ना, सेट एरो स्केल सेट ये तुमने कर रखा है।
इसको मैं हटा देता हूँ सर।
वो तो कमेंट कर दो, हटा के मैं कमेंट कर दो।
सर या सर दिस वन ना सेट।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो तो कमेंट कर दो भैया।
सर ये इसको सर दोबारा करना पड़ेगा, उसको यहाँ कमेंट करने का सर आई थिंक सो ऑप्शन नहीं होता।
या तो
पता नहीं सर, मैं दोबारा कर लेता हूँ।
And if you're getting a constant field, we got this error last week also. You have to change it in the code. See,
I think-
we don't need K here because it's a 2D data. We don't need K. Just use do I is equal to 1 comma 10.
Actually, Harita, whatever you did in last class, for that program that I have, I'm showing you. Okay. What is the difference between in last and this one that I'm mentioning?
अनीश लास्ट टाइम भी हमने हम k वैल्यू नहीं लेने क्योंकि k वैल्यू से वो 3D आ जाएगा, हमें 3D नहीं चाहिए। तो I
Yeah,
and
because we got the same error. That's why I'm saying.
Actually, just
This K value has got no meaning here because even if you have the good K, it doesn't matter because it's just repeating once, and that is just a generalization effect. Just to generalize the measures in future records, they are more letters for that purpose. Otherwise, it has got no meaning.
Harita,
हाँ.
here you put it only U and V, but in my case I put U bracket I J. Yes sir. That's why I think so.
Okay.
It's so variance maybe.
Okay. Yeah.
So anyway, the thing is that now, whatever was the data in your file, input data file, that it has shown to us. Okay. So now, really जो है, so तुम्हारा जो तुमने data pick up किया था, this I
Yes,
don't know how was your data picked up. And obviously, when you pick up data, probably you pick up from north to south, so that same problem will be there for you also, I think. But actually, can you show me your input data set also once?
My input. Yes, sir.
Input data and the program file.
I'm stock presenting you sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So yeah. My input.
Yeah, input data set and the program code. So this is your input data set, right?
Yes, sir. This is my input. This is my program.
Slightly move right side, you will be control is overlapping. Overlapping. Okay. So you're go to the top of the data file.
So top of the data.
I can't see your first. Okay. So first data is speed, is it? And second is direction, is that so?
Yes.
8 is the wind speed and 10 is the direction, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 9 is the speed and 30 is the direction, right?
Direction. Yes, sir.
Okay. And when you are reading it, then how are you reading it? Okay, so your reading is correct. Your reading is okay. Yeah, so your reading problem is okay, no problem. Because that problem was there in Ani's file. So whatever way you have supplied the data, you are reading it in the same way. That's no problem. Okay, so that's what I want to check. But now the thing is that now the way you store the data, that is like now from north to south, that you have to change the structure or put in the program itself, just reverse the value in the program.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so you try that and then we'll see it later. Okay. And then let me see Gita's program. Gita's,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
show me your program.
I understood my mistake now. After seeing Harita's changes and needs, I got my mistake. I did some mistake.
तो ठीक है, तू करेक्शन कर लो अपने मिस्टेक को एंड देन शो मी लेटर.
बट उसके अलावा भी जो मैंने प्लॉट किया है वो हमें एरो नहीं दे रहा है वेक्टर, हमें वो स्पीड का वो दे रहा है जो मैंने आपको कल बताया था.
वो तो तुम पता नहीं क्या दिखा रहे थे कल.
1 सेकंड.
ये सारा स्किप की जरूरत नहीं है. सो क्या है, आई डोंट नो. जो इट ऑल तूने कंटूर और नाइस कलर वगैरह डाल दिया है, बट दो थिंग्स नो आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. नो दैट इज ऑल कमिंग अप बिकॉज़ ऑफ योर कंट्रोल फाइल में.
यस सर एंड इसमें भी सर एरोज हैं, पर वही अनीश वाली मिस्टेक है कि इसमें हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल एरोज आ रहे हैं. वो मैं ठीक करूंगा. अभी मेरे को मिस्टेक पता चल गई क्या है. बाकी ये स्पीड वाला तो परफेक्ट है, मतलब कि जो वेरिएशन आ रही है ये वाला स्पीड का ठीक है. डायरेक्शन का मेरे को चेंज करना है.
हाँ, डायरेक्शन चेंज करना है. और ये कंटूर अभी मुझे मत दिखाओ क्योंकि आई जस्ट वांट टू सी. ओके,
बस सर ये मिस्टेक थी, मैं ठीक करता हूँ अभी.
तो ये ठीक करो. ठीक है. सो हु एल्स वांट्स टू शो देयर रिजल्ट? और कोई अपना रिजल्ट दिखाना चाहता है?
Sir, I also did that. Now I also have the same mistake for reading the data. That is, yeah, it is reading in an opposite direction.
Okay.
But now I changed the latitudes, and now the plot is coming for India, but that values are wrong. Like
Okay,
it's
so-
opposite.
Okay, so you got the mistake. You understood what the mistake is, right?
Yes, sir. Should I show you?
No, पहले correction कर लो अपने data file में. उसके बाद then I will see. You have understood the mistake, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So first you correct that and then I will see it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Shivam, what is your status?
यस सर, यस सर.
तुम्हारा क्या status है?
सर हो गया प्लॉट सर.
हाँ, तुमने कर लिया? दिखाओ अगर कर लिया तो.
यस सर, यस.
हेलो
हाँ.
सर, मैंने एक करेक्शन किया है. जिस फॉर्मेट में मैंने पहले लिख रखा था डाटा रीड करने के लिए, उस फॉर्मेट का मैंने एक फाइल अभी मतलब है मेरे पास सर. उसको मैं उसी फॉर्मेट में रीड कर रहा हूँ जिसमें मैंने पहले लिख रखा था. और फिर अब जो प्लॉट आ रहा है डिफरेंट आ रहा है सर. पहले शिवम दिखा ले तो उसके बाद सर मैं दिखाऊंगा एक बार आपको.
ठीक है. Is it better than before or same?
सर वी कैन से बेटर सर, बेटर.
Okay. Good.
यस
So it will be visible. हाँ, Shivam दिखाओ तुम्हारा क्या है.
यस. हेलो.
हाँ, Shivam, yes, show me.
Yes,
I can see your grad script.
yes sir. Again, I am doing that. Sir, this is my program. Okay, and this is the CTL file. This one. And one second.
So you're okay. So hi, I mean you're getting some value. That is
Yes, sir.
yeah. Only thing is that it does not show any cyclonic circulation. That's it, right?
Yes, sir.
So the basic funda you have learned, you have understood the steps how to do that. Only thing is you can supply your properly, the winds, then you will be able to see the circulation.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, who is the next person? After Asana.
Sir, I'm getting the graph, the map, but my values are, I took the random values of the wind velocity vector, so I'm not getting the cyclonic circulation. Rest, I'm getting the graph.
किस तरह का ग्राफ जैसे शिवम दिखा था उस टाइप का ग्राफ है?
Yes, sir. Sir, I can show if you want. Okay, sir. So here is it.
Okay, so this is your plot, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think it's quite good. Quite, I mean, better than many others. So ठीक है, so that means you have also reached up to this stage. That's good.
So I took Shiny's help.
So Shiny has okay. Shiny and
Yes.
you are getting the similar thing, right?
Yes, sir.
So ठीक है, very good. Basically, this is coming because of the wind direction is not properly set. That's why.
Yes, sir.
Right. ठीक है, next.
So because we took random values for the velocity vectors.
I understand, yeah. अभी मैं एक problem दूंगा तुम लोगों को इसके बाद. I mean, you can try that later on. But let me see other first. What about Sweta? Sweta?
Yes, sir. Sir, I took Anish's help, and yeah, I'm having the same problem since the value of the wind vector is not perfect. That's why the arrows are not showing cyclonic formation. Sir, I even tried altering certain values, but since they are not taking in a proper order, that's why. Suppose I'm changing the fourth value, the fourth arrow of the fourth grid is not changing. I can show the. Yes, sir. I'm showing the plot, sir. Yes, sir. It's not coming.
Screen share.
Sir, 1 second. There's some problem with the screen share. 1 second, sir.
Oh.
Interesting. Sir, this is the plot.
So this is almost similar to what Asna was showing just now, is it? Or
Almost, sir.
Almost.
It doesn't have a proper cyclonic thing. It just have one direction arrows alignment.
Yeah, yeah. So that is all because of the wind direction which has been applied. Right.
Yes.
Another thing, just
Yes, sir.
wait.
1 second, sir. Yes, sir.
Open it. Okay. Now instead of wind vector, do you know how to draw the streamlines?
I think yes, sir. For first semester, I think we did streamlines.
So can you draw the streamlines on this?
Sir, I don't remember the command.
Set GX of stream, I think.
Set GX out as stream. Okay. And then after that, Shivam?
Shivam, after that.
Yes, sir.
After that, display what?
Just display.
After this display UV.
Display.
Not you, I think there to be semicolon.
Semicolon, yes, sir. Oh my God.
See, this is the wind. This is how the wind, I mean, this is the direction that you have supplied. Whatever direction you have supplied, it has just drawn the streamline. So all the winds are going from southwest to northeast.
Yes, sir.
See?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all winds are from southwest to northeast. That's because the way you have supplied the data. You get the point? So you properly put a cyclonic vortex. Now it's controlled by the direction, then it will show you the vortex nicely. But the point is, you have learned how to draw this wind vectors or streamlines based upon a given data set. That is what is important, right?
Hello,
yes.
Sir, my laptop got switched off. That's why I am from laptop as well as from phone.
Oh,
so
okay.
I just connected the.
Yeah, but we can see your plot on the.
Yes, sir, because there's connection problem, but my laptop has got shut down.
Okay, so I could see yours. Now, who is next? Adira, your problem, right? Adira and.
But she finished.
Yes, sir. I switched to Windows. Actually, I completed the program yesterday with the help of Harita. But I have problem with same problem of direction. So I have to change the input values. Rest I completed, but now my Ubuntu is unresponsive. Page is unresponsive. I cannot open the files.
So you have to correct that part. Okay.
Yes, sir. I will correct and I will show you, sir. I will send you.
Okay. Najmin, what is your problem? What is your status? Najmin, can you hear? Najmin, आवाज सुनाई दे रहा है तुमको? Are you there, Najmin? I don't know whether she is there or not. Najmin, are you there? No. So probably she is not there or she is not hearing me. So I have seen almost everybody's plot, whoever is present here, right? What I was thinking, are you all?
सर मैंने दोबारा डिफरेंट करेक्ट करके उसको किया सर. मैं एक बार दिखाना चाहता हूँ, शो करना चाहता हूँ मैं सर. यस सर.
भाई नजमीन कहाँ थे? तुम्हारा क्या है स्टेटस? मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रहा तुमको नजमीन?
यस सर. यस सर. सर ये तो मैंने स्ट्रीम डाला है सर. मैं आपको स्टार्टिंग से दिखाता हूँ पूरा कंप्लीट सर. पहले मैंने ये वाला डाटा यूज किया सर, जो अभी स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले हो रहा है, a.txt सर.
ये देखो क्या है, आई डोंट नो मतलब फर्स्ट वैल्यू इज व्हाट 1 2 3 4 5.
फर्स्ट पूरा टेबल सर वो स्पीड के लिए एंड सेकंड वन जो है वो डायरेक्शन के लिए. इसमें सर वो प्रॉपर तरीके से डायरेक्शन नहीं है यस, लेकिन फिर भी सर इसके कारण डिफरेंट आ रहा है सर. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम ट्राइंग टू शो यू सर.
तो तुम्हारा बाकी 10 कॉलम है, 5 ही कॉलम है ना? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 कॉलम है, 10 कॉलम होना चाहिए ना
सर. ये पूरा टोटली 100 पॉइंट्स है सर इसके और 100 पॉइंट्स है सर इसके नीचे वाले के.
एंड सेकंडली एक्चुअली इतना सारा डेसिमल पॉइंट देखने की जरूरत नहीं थी. जस्ट राइट वन डेसिमल पॉइंट.
सर एक्चुअली ये जो फाइल है ये फोर्ट्रन प्रोग्राम से क्रिएट हुआ है बाय सॉल्विंग सम इक्वेशन. यस सर.
यू कैन कंट्रोल द
यस सर आई कैन कंट्रोल.
सर आई हैड अ क्वेश्चन. सर ये जो आप डेसिमल पॉइंट्स की बात कह रहे हैं ना, व्हेन वी आर गिविंग दैट कमांड F वाला, उससे आउटपुट में जो आउटपुट रिजल्ट जहाँ डिस्प्ले हो रहा है वहाँ पे डेसिमल पॉइंट्स कंट्रोल हो जा रहे हैं, लेकिन ये डेटा फाइल जो सेव हो रहा है वहाँ पे ये इतना सारा पॉइंट्स ही आ रहा है.
नहीं हो जाएगा कंट्रोल.
सर वो जो कमांड होता है ना सर F 5.4 मतलब 5 प्लेसेस इधर 4 प्लेसेस आफ्टर डेसिमल, आई यूज दैट कमांड, मगर वो प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट में आ रहा है. यानी जो आउटपुट शो कर रहा है ब्लैक वाला, उसमें टर्मिनल में जो आउटपुट शो कर रहा है उसमें वो एक डेसिमल दे रहा है.
इट विल कम यू ट्राई.
आता है वो आता है.
It will come.
Where do you put that F command?
In the right command, you put like the file input that number, comma the step number, and then you refer the step number and then you write.
Exactly.
In that file you cannot do because it's an unformatted. In text file when you're writing we can do.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
Okay.
you.
So this
Yes,
is
sir.
fine. So you have most of you have attempted and almost succeeded in drawing that. And this too many deformation, clumsy, very mistake. Again,
Yes, sir.
you have specified your direction. I am not sure about 2-3 people now. One is Nazmeen, second is what is that? Avani, and third is Nazmeen. And Vibhuti also.
Only direction, sir.
No, Vibhuti तो नीचे आ गया है ही नहीं. So Vibhuti, I don't know what is he.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Anish, we can hear you.
अच्छा अच्छा. Yes, sir.
I just sorry about this.
Hello.
अनीश सर नहीं है, हम सब है.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
सर गॉट डिस्कनेक्ट.
ठीक.
अनिश, जब तक तो कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहते ना तो अपना माइक म्यूट कर दे, फिर डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं होगा.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry, I was not disconnected because of the internet problem. So, so everybody is now clear, right? Except 2-3 students like Majnun and Vibhuti, Avni, those things are not same, but most of you are all clear, right? Can you stop sharing? Kiska bhi screen dikh raha hai? This is somebody's.
Sir. Yes, sir. I am stopping.
So, yeah, I was just telling you that, your idea is to draw some sort of a circular wind pattern in the middle of the domain, right? Are you all listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The wind pattern should be something like a circular wind pattern at the center of the domain, isn't it? That's what is the idea right now. Okay, so that it will look like a cyclone, right? So I was just thinking that, if you compute your U and V, okay, in such a way that the U and V are functions of a circle, like the equation of a circle, right? Equation of a circle,
Yes, sir.
That what is the equation?
X square plus y square equals to r square.
Yeah, where r is the
Radius of the circle.
Radius of the circle.
So let us say, you want to put the circle in the middle of the domain. So just approximately measure the distance of the center of the circle from the boundary. That will be radius of the circle, right? Approximately the radius of the circle will be the distance of the center of the circle from the boundary, right? In your case, suppose boundary is you have put at 65-degree latitude, let us say longitude, right? वहीं से ना इंडिया का जो भी मैप ड्रॉ किया था इंडिया का, the map of India that you drew, say starting from 65-degree longitude, right? And suppose you want to place the center of the circle in the middle of India, somewhere in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, somewhere. So let us say assume that you don't want to have a very big circle covering the whole of India, but a small circle, right? So you approximately provide the radius of the circle in your program. Okay, when you are writing the program, in your program, you specify approximately the radius of the circle, and then compute the U component and V component by the equation of the circle, which is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Right? Your x is, say, representing your x component of the wind, that is U, and y is representing the V component of the wind, that is, variable component, that is V. Do you understand what I'm trying to explain or just indicate? Is all of you, are all of you listening carefully?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What I'm trying to say is that your idea is to draw a circular wind pattern in the middle of the domain. Now, so let us say the radius of the circle is say 200 kilometer approximately. 200 kilometer approximately, that means 2 degree longitude roughly, right? And then you have to compute the U and V by the equation of a circle. U square plus V square is equal to A square. So what will be the value of U and what will be the value of V in that case? Can you just think about a mathematical function? Think about a mathematical function through which you derive the U and V component in such a way that U square plus V square becomes equal to A square or R square, which is radius. Do you understand what I'm trying to indicate?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can you just think about some mathematical function which will provide you a circular wind pattern in the middle of the domain, saying that U square plus V square is equal to R square. Can you try that? That will be maybe your next exercise. That will be your next exercise. In order to get a nice control pattern of the wind. So that these kinds of things which you are seeing in the wind vector in the streamline, that the winds are going in some random direction, that will not go. Then it will be a perfectly circular wind pattern. You are able to specify the value of U and V over the entire domain, and in that case, you can easily have a bigger domain also, 100 points also. Now you have got only 10 by 10 points because manually you are supplying the value of speed and direction. That's why you can't supply so many points manually. So you have got only 10 by 10 points. But if you can imagine a circle or U and V component which is provided by some equation, some function, then you can choose your domain which is much larger also, because you just have to compute the computer has to compute value of U and V at every grid point in that case. Think about this now, which I'm telling you. If it is not clear, just think about it, and then try to do as a next exercise. Right? Not this exercise. This exercise you can just complete the exercise by drawing a nice wind pattern. That is good enough. Actually, we can proceed to the next exercise even from this level also. But I just give you one more trial that you can try, improving your wind direction and properly correcting the starting point and ending point of the data from north to south. So I give you a chance, one more chance that you try that. Even if you are not able to succeed, then also it's okay with the given wind direction and wind speed, whatever you are getting the value of U and V. Now from there you can compute the divergence and vorticity, and we can proceed for the next exercise from there. But just for sake of another one more attempt, I just give you some more time. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Right.
So sir. Yes, sir.
1 o'clock now, 1:05. So I'll meet you again after half an hour or so at 1:30. Will that be okay? In the meantime, just try this exercise in the meantime, and then we'll meet at 1:30. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Others are not responding. What about others?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, okay. Sir.
Fine. Tasri, you okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Gitesh, are you there? He's not responding.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I give you half an hour time. Now it's 1 o'clock in my watch, 1:05. So we'll meet at 1:30. Okay?
Okay, sir.
We'll meet at 1:30. So I disconnect it now, and then we will connect back again at 1:30 and see now what progress you have done. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. See you then. See you at 1:30.